Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the essentials so shots stay identical. Mount your camera or phone on a tripod, compose tightly, and set manual exposure and focus to prevent drift. Once done, arrange a simple backdrop and position your subject where it moves within the frame. Use LED lights or consistent daylight and disable auto white balance. This prevents flicker and color shifts. Press record or enable interval mode and take your first frame. This first action makes the sequence possible. You now craft motion by tiny adjustments. Move the subject a fraction of the total distance between frames because smaller increments yield smoother motion when played at 12 to 24 frames per second. Once you have a rhythm, capture a short test clip and review playback to check timing and spacing. Make increments bigger if motion is sluggish or smaller if it looks choppy. Make sure props and background remain fixed, and use placement marks so every element returns to the exact spot. You finish by assembling frames in an editor, setting the sequence to your chosen FPS, and trimming the start and end. Once assembled, apply basic color matching and stabilization to remove tiny shifts. These steps improve polish and make motion feel intentional. If motion needs easing, nudge keyframes or duplicate nearby frames for slow in and slow out. If you see flicker, run a deflicker filter or recheck lighting consistency. Remember, small fixes now prevent big reshoots later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.